In this video, we will set up the development environment and create a Vue CLI project with Vuetify. Let's start by opening up the terminal. Before starting, make sure that you've installed Vue CLI package globally. In order to check for that, just type Vue. Here I get the help commands, which means that I have already installed that. If you haven't installed, just go to Vue CLI website, which is cli.vue.js.org. And down here we get the npm install script. After you have installed, let's go back to terminal. Vue CLI provides a nice user interface to manage and create new projects, so we will use that. In order to call that, type Vue UI. Here we've got our project manager, and here in the dropdown we get the Vue project manager, and we will go there. Let's press create. I'm going to create my project on my desktop. You can create it wherever you want, and it doesn't matter. Let's press create new project, and I will call it Vue player-course. For the package manager, I like to use npm, but you can use yarn as well. I'm going to overwrite the target folder, and I will scaffold the project without the beginner instructions. And I'm going to initialize a Git repository. Let's press next. Here we get the presets. Let's go with the manual one. Let's press next. Here we can choose the packages and features for our project. We're gonna use Babel. We will not use TypeScript and progressive web apps. We will not use the router, Vuex. We will use the CSS preprocessors for the Sass support. We will use linter. We will not unit test our code, so I will not check those. I will check use config files so that it creates a separate file for Babel configuration. Let's press next. Now we need to choose the preprocessor. Let's go to dropdown and we're gonna go with the Dart Sass. For the linter, I'm going to choose ESLint plus prettier. Additional lint features, we are not going to use those, so we will leave it as it is. Let's press create project. It's prompting us to save our current preset, but we will continue without saving. Yay! Our project was successfully created. Now we can close this tab. Let's go back to the terminal. And let's press Ctrl+C. So, here you can see we've got our project. Let's go inside that project, cd Vue player. Oh, first I need to go to the desktop. cd desktop Vue player course. Let's go there. Now let's start up our project and make sure that everything works properly. Let's type npm run serve. So it should now start up the development server. Let's copy this localhost and go back to browser, paste that. And as you can see, everything works properly. So we've set up our project. Now we need to add the Vuetify package to our project. In order to do that, let's go back to our terminal. For now, we are going to shut down our server, so we press Ctrl+C. Let's type Vue add Vuetify. Vue add is a Vue CLI command that's going to add the Vuetify package to our project. Let's press enter. Now it's going to prompt us to choose a preset for Vuetify. We will go with the default one. Now the Vuetify package was successfully installed to our project. Finally, let's start up our development server again and check if there are any changes that Vuetify added. You can see that Vuetify has injected some of its components to show as an example. This is going to be it for this video. We have successfully set up our development environment, and in the next video, we will start actually writing our player. So, see you later.